Hey there, today I'll be showing you how you can remove the background or any objects from an image on your MacBook. It's super easy, completely free, and no external apps are needed. Let's get into it. So firstly, you're going to go to Finder and open up the image that you want to edit. Now, on the menu up here, you're going to click on the Tools button and click Remove Background. Now, as you can see, when I hover over the button, it basically gives me a preview and highlights the area that it's going to erase. Now, this can take a couple of minutes depending on how complicated the image is. Now, if you see this message pop up, you want to make sure that you click Convert because PNGs are the only file type that support transparency. Now, as you can see, the background is removed. Let's just say I also want to remove the hand. I can manually edit that out. So you're going to click on the markup button in this toolbar, and you're going to click on this drop-down selection tool and select lasso selection. Now I can either outline the hand or outline the camera itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and outline the camera because I do think that is a bit easier to outline. Then I'm going to click on Edit and Invert Selection right here. Then I'm going to click the Delete key on my keyboard. And as you can see, we've removed the hand. Now I want to make some finishing touches and remove these spots right here. I'm going to use this magic eraser tool or the instant alpha tool. What this does is it detects the color. So I'm going to just glide this. Once it's highlighted, I'm going to click the delete key to delete that part. This is a very easy and quick way to just clean up the mistakes that the background remover may have made or when you're using the lasso tool. And as you can see, the background and the hand has been removed. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like and hit that follow button to see more videos just like this. And I'll see you in the next one.